Al moment tu la Ponelo, pe bien zo was mate.
A bit of happening.
Vous pouvez me regarder s'il vous plaît? Super, merci.
Donc vous parliez pas de ça?
La carte description?
I'm from Cornwall.
Yeah, okay. You're from Cornwall.
Yeah, do you want to say what you're doing?
Well, we are just, Briton language is forbidden in university here in Lorient, in Vannes, in Pontivy. So it's a shame. So we are just, we want our language alive in university here in Brittany. So just this is some signals from university. We put off them on them to give them to University of Lorient.
Brezonek.
In Brezonek is het ordin he aemam penon zo klem war pet neskemman bet with our years am Brezonek bas colver bas son origine bas gwenet bas kondi nan pez mem gwet distalian ponelu braz a rentonne da scolver zo la un arwez ben afin no beren difols mais orvez en evike kemeret ar years in kon bars ar ponelu a bars penons ye a relen. C'est une nom avec gwet en roto fomandari sala.
Trugaras.
Merci Bras, Trugari.
I speak Cornish.